Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been long since I last posted my video. So today I am back with another veg recipe, that is the palak paneer. I have tried to make this as quick and simple as possible. Keep on watching the video. I hope you will like it. And if you're new to my channel, then please click on the red subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Keep on watching. To boil the palak leaves in a pan, add sufficient quantity of water. Add in some salt. Once the water comes to a rolling boil, it's time to add in the palak. I have taken here 2 handfuls of palak and now let it boil for about 5 minutes. Once the leaves are wilted, now turn off the gas and strain it out. To make the palak puree in a blender jar, add in the boiled spinach, add in an inch of ginger and 1 tomato roughly chopped up and blend it up to a smooth paste. And my puree is done, vibrant green color. Now to the same pan add in a dollop of butter and some oil so that the butter doesn't brown. Once the butter starts melting, it's time to add in a few cumin seeds, 2 dried red chilies, 1 bay leaf and let it saute till the aroma releases. Add in 1 chopped up onion and a few cloves of garlic. Saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes, but do not brown them. Once the onions are translucent, add in some salt and sugar as per your taste and again saute them for about a minute. Now add in the palak puree, pinch of turmeric powder, red chili powder as per your taste. And now I will be using here this spice mix. This is the Rajma masala powder, but if you do not have any spice mix, then you can use coriander, cumin and garam masala powder as well. Now I will be adding here 2 big tablespoons of that powder and saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once all the masalas are sauteed, you can add in some chopped up spinach. So I have added here about a handful of chopped spinach and some water and mix it up well. You can totally do with the palak puree, but chopped up spinach gives it some texture and it's optional. Add in some sugar because palak paneer tends to be a little on the sweeter side. Cover and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Open the lid and it should look like this. Now add the most important ingredient, that is the roasted dried kasuri methi leaves and about a cup of milk. Mix it up all very well. And now it's time to add in the paneer. Coat the paneer very well along with the palak puree and the masalas. If you want to make your paneer soft and juicy and soak up all the gravy masala, Then you can soak them in some warm water, add in some salt, and then leave it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes or until you are ready to add your paneer into your gravy. At this point, adjust your seasonings, and if you want to get the vibrant green color of palak paneer, then you can skip the addition of turmeric powder that I have done at the beginning. Now give it a final mix and the palak paneer is ready to be served. Take it out onto a bowl. Lastly, garnish it with a dollop of butter and a few roasted fenugreek leaves. Soft, juicy paneer soaked in that flavorful palak gravy. This is one of my favorite veg recipes. Try this with any Indian flatbreads or with jeera rice. It tastes amazing. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.